Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious chocolate boba drink. First, gather your ingredients: 1/2 cup of tapioca pearls, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 cup of milk, and your preferred sweetener. You'll also need a saucepan, a strainer, and your favorite serving glasses. Having everything organized makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get cooking. Next, let's cook the boba. Bring about 3 cups of water to a boil, then add your tapioca pearls. Cook them for 5 to 7 minutes, or until they are soft and chewy. Once cooked, drain the pearls and rinse them under cold water to prevent sticking. Now, for the chocolate base. In a separate bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder with your sweetener and a small amount of hot water until it forms a smooth, rich paste. Now it's time to assemble your chocolate boba drink. First, spoon the rich chocolate paste into the bottom of your serving glass. Next, carefully add the cooked and rinsed tapioca pearls on top of the chocolate. Finally, pour 1 cup of cold milk over the pearls and chocolate. You can use any type of milk you prefer, whether it's dairy or a plant-based alternative. Stir gently to combine all the delicious layers. For the perfect finish, add a few ice cubes to your chocolate boba drink for a refreshing chill. If you're feeling fancy, you can garnish it with a dollop of whipped cream or some chocolate shavings. Give it a final stir, and your homemade chocolate boba is ready to enjoy. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy sipping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.